Today we're in the Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to show you how to pair wireless Apple CarPlay to your phone into the infotainment screen. So there is a couple different ways to do it. You can start the easiest way we found just by selecting phone, and then it might ask if you want to pair a phone, but if this menu doesn't pop up because there's already a phone, you may have to go to the device manager over here in the corner and then go back over to the other side where you're then going to select add device. So that way you're going to make the vehicle start searching for Bluetooth devices by clicking there on the phone. Now you can either go back to your telephone, so from the home screen of your phone you are going to find this little gray settings menu. So if you go into settings, the third thing down is going to say Bluetooth. So we're going to go ahead and select Bluetooth, and then at the bottom we can wait to see UConnect. So if you select UConnect on here, that will make sure that it starts to pair with the infotainment screen. So you're going to see a pin pop up there on the screen, and that pin will match on your telephone. So as long as it matches on your phone, go ahead and select pair. Then we'll ask if you want it allowed to sync your favorites and your contacts. So we'll go ahead and select that. Now we're going to go back to the infotainment screen here, and then just click yes, saying that it was the same pin. Now we'll give it a second here, and it's going to say, do you want to connect to Apple CarPlay? So we'll select OK, and then follow directions on your device. So we've got one more click here on our phone to connect to CarPlay, and that will start the wireless Apple CarPlay. So it may need you to select one more time to click OK on here, just that we confirmed, or sometimes it will just go through the menu. Now this will give you text messaging, Google Maps, Spotify. You can also do sometimes voice control with the steering wheel. There's also a new menu in the new iOS, which is pretty cool. Gives you some of your reminders and some weather. So if you're having trouble with this, you may have to reset the vehicle or just close your phone and then go back into the Bluetooth settings. Sometimes that will kind of reset or start turning this on or off again to start searching for the vehicle. But once you find it, it will connect to the vehicle every time you get in.